imagine a body butter that is so rich and so creamy that it just melts on your skin the moment that it touches it, leaving your skin feeling so luxurious and like royalty. Well, today I am sharing my recipe for a luxurious body butter bar that I'm positive that you are going to love. So let's dive into these ingredients. We're going to use cocoa butter and mango butter for a creamy melt in your skin base to give your body butter bar that luxurious texture. Then we'll add some BTMS 50 and Cetearyl Alcohol, which help it glide onto your skin effortlessly without any greasiness. Stearic Acid is next, bringing a firm and long-lasting feel to the bar. And last but not least, of course, we're going to add some vitamin E for some added skin-loving benefits. Okay, so we're going to do this project in 2 phases. So we'll have the heated phase and then a cool down phase. So we have our pre-measured cocoa butter, mango butter, BTMS 50, Cetearyl Alcohol, and Stearic Acid. So we're going to take a heat-safe container and we're going to pour all of these ingredients into the container. Once we do this, we're going to heat it. It does take a while for the BTMS 50 to heat down. So you can do this by microwaving it, using a double boiler method. If you have a container that can handle just being directly on heat, you could do that too. But I'm going to use a double boiler method today for this. I have my pan with a little water at the bottom, and I'm going to add in my heated elements. So I've gotten the mixture off the heat and we are going to stir just a little bit longer. Because of the BTMS 50 and the cocoa butter, they're very stubborn. So it did take about 15 to 20 minutes. So we're gonna stir for a little bit, scraping the edges. We wanted to just get a little bit thicker because right now it looks like runny honey, which is good. That's what we want. And after this, we're going to prepare a little ice bath for it. Okay, so let's begin preparing our ice bath. So this is just a bowl of ice. And I'm gonna pour some water. And so what I like to do is, while it's still stirring, because the point is we're trying to get it to a trace consistency. So we put it in, stir, and then I like to then take it out and stir, making sure to scrape down the edges. It's the cocoa butter and this smells amazing. So then I do it again. And I just repeat. All right, it's starting to thicken up. We want it to just be a little bit thicker. We want it to reach a trace consistency where it is a little bit thicker, like this. Okay. Now that I have it where I want it to be, I am now going to add in a little bit of fragrance and our vitamin E. We need the vitamin E for antioxidants, and then it also helps it to, it acts as a natural type of preservative. For this, I am using a gingerbread fragrance from Brambleberry. If you have not tried their fragrances, highly suggested. They have great fragrances. And I want it to look a little bit like a gingerbread. So I'm going to add a little bit of mica powder. Just a little. And we're going to mix it up. Ooh. Okay, let's pour our ingredients. And then tap it. So once you put them in the mold, you can put them in a freezer to harden up, your refrigerator, or let it sit out room temperature. I'm gonna go ahead and put mine in the freezer. And now we are back with our butter bars from the freezer. I put them in there for about 15 to 20 minutes. So let's unmold it. And from here you can leave it room temperature, but they're so cute. These are so cute, and they are they're already melting in my hand. It feels so nice. You can, to save these, you can wrap them in tin, in the little tin cans, or with the coffee filters would be really cute too. But these are so nice. You could even put these in a like big lipstick container too, so you can just roll it on. And there you have it, your own body butter bar that is great for gifting to your friends and family, or honestly just keeping it for yourself. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video, and hit that notification bell to never miss out on another one. Happy crafting. See you next time.